How to lock apps on iPhone with shortcuts? Here's what you need to know. If you're using iOS 16, the Shortcuts app cannot lock individual apps. Apple didn't add this feature until iOS 18, so there's no built-in shortcut that can require Face ID or a passcode before opening an app on iOS 16. If you only want to restrict access to certain apps on iOS 16, you can use Screen Time instead. Open the Settings app, then tap Screen Time. Next, tap App Limits, then select Add Limit. Choose the app or app category you want to restrict, tap Next, and set the time limit to 1 minute. Make sure Block at End of Limit is turned on, then tap Add. After you've used the app for 1 minute, Screen Time will require your Screen Time passcode to continue using it. If you're using iOS 18 or later, you can lock supported apps directly with Face ID by pressing and holding the app icon and selecting Require Face ID. And that's it. Now you know the available ways to restrict access to apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.